Welcome to our tutorial on utilizing our writing tool to bring your book to life. Access the tool by clicking on the Write Your Book tab from the top menu. Once inside, you'll find the main screen where you can compose your entire book. The left side menu offers various options to work on different book elements. Let's begin by crafting a captivating cover. Simply click on Create Your Front Cover and customize it with your book's title and your name as the author. Custom cover designs will be available later, but first, let's get that book written. Now, let's add an eye-catching cover photo. Click on Upload a Cover Photo and choose the perfect image from your computer to enhance your cover. Moving on to the exciting part, it's time to write your first chapter. Click on Chapters, Add New to create a dedicated chapter title page. Craft your chapter title and begin writing your engaging content. You have the flexibility to enrich your chapters with photos by selecting Add Image and incorporating images and captions about those images from your computer at any location as you are writing your book. Preview your book by clicking Preview and seamlessly return to writing by selecting Return to Writing. Also, notice the Save button. This is important. When you save your work, it will create a personal account and dashboard where you can return again and again to complete your book. When you've finished writing your book, congratulations! It's now time to have your book professionally proofread and/or printed. From your dashboard, click the links next to your book, Submit for Proofreading and Submit for Printing, and follow the instructions. Thank you and happy writing! Still need a little help? There is a second, more detailed tutorial on writing your book on our homepage titled Tutorial Number 2.